I think this course was really helpful for me, and it's a great way to get closer into natural language processing.
Professor Penn does a very good job in explaining it.
Aspects of computer science I've never really dove into.
I'm Gerald Penn. I'm a professor of computer science at the University of Toronto and the Vector Institute for Artificial Intelligence. I think the biggest difference here is just the class sizes. They're very, very small. And the idea that you could just go around the room and have every student present their programming assignment from the previous night is, I think, unheard of.
This is my first time actually taking a course taught by a professor. I also learned a lot in just coding and figuring out problems by myself.
We also did a project one on update summarization of news articles and stuff, and I think when we ask questions, he seemed very knowledgeable and he always answers the question that helps us.
We've learned a lot about natural language processing and neuroscience, and I've been very interested.
Plan your life and live your plan.